So if you are a Prime member, another great way to save is through the Amazon Family Program. Simply type in amazon.com/family. Okay, I had to sign out of my account because I am a family member, so I couldn't get this page to come up otherwise. But if you're not an Amazon family member and you are a Prime member, you're going to get this program completely free. You just have to sign up. And basically, you're going to get exclusive coupons throughout the year and special discounts. But the major thing that you get all year long is an extra 20% off of diapers. Okay, now that's in conjunction with the Subscribe and Save program that I told you about earlier. If you're not a Prime member, you can do your 30-day free trial and try out the Amazon Family Program to see if it helps you to save money on diapers. So let's say I wanted to buy some diapers. Okay, I'm going to type in Huggies diapers there. Okay, and there's the diapers that I want. So I see that they're $37.98, and a lot of times there will also be coupons on these, so watch for that. I see that these are $37.98 if I subscribe and save, okay? But if I'm a Prime member with Amazon Family, I'm going to get another 20% off that price, okay? That's a big savings off of diapers. Now, what else is happening right now, and keep in mind that this may not be happening at the time that you watch this video because it's just it's just a limited time offer, but I wanted to show it to you because these are the things that happen during Amazon family promotions. So right now, Amazon family members are also getting 15% off baby food, and that's all baby food. And this deal even has a coupon. So basically what I could do right now while this promotion is going on is I'm going to pay the $11.26 minus the 25% off coupon minus another 15% to get this 12-pack of baby food. Okay, that's a really big savings on stuff that I would already use as a mom. Plus, I don't have to go to the store. So, again, make sure that if you're a Prime member, you are taking advantage of the absolutely free Amazon Family Program. You don't want to miss out on the savings. You're going to get diapers and baby food and things for far cheaper than you would by going to the store.